Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing My Melody. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a curve down and in on the left, and hop over, and let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's connect them at the bottom with a curve. You should end up with a shape like this that's slightly on an angle. Next, let's hop up on the top left and add the flower. Start by drawing 4 curves to form the shape of the flower. And then inside, let's add an oval. Next, from the top of the flower, let's bring it up, curve it down, and back up like this. Next, on the top right, let's draw a large curve up and back down to close off the head. Next, let's move inside and draw the face. Along the bottom, let's draw an oval-shaped curve on an angle like this. Next, let's move in and draw the eyes. Inside, on the top left, let's draw the first eye with an oval. And the same thing on the right. Now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's move down in between the eyes and let's draw an angled oval for the nose. And then a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start off by drawing the hands that's overlapping the face. Let's start below in the center, and let's draw a curve up on top of the face and back down. Then underneath, let's draw a bump down, and then 2 more curves down like this. Now for the left hand, let's start on the top and let's draw a curve down, and then 1 coming from the bottom, leaving a gap in between. Next, let's erase those overlapping lines on top of the hands. And when you're done, you should end up with the 2 hands like this. Next, from the sides of the hands, let's draw curves down and out on both sides. Then for the ends, let's curve it up. And then 1 more curve back up into the head. Now let's finish drawing the bottom of the arms. Underneath the center, under the hands here, let's draw a curve down and then back up. And the same thing on the right. Next, let's move down under the arms and draw curves down on both sides. Next, let's add the feet. From the bottom of these lines, let's step up and let's draw a line down and then curve it in at the bottom. And the same on the other side. Next, let's move in the middle and let's draw a curve back around to form the right foot. Now for the left foot, let's draw a curve underneath and then continue it up on the top here. Next, leave a gap and let's draw a curve on top of the left foot and the right foot. And lastly, in the middle, let's draw a pointed V shape up and color that small space in black. And that's it for my melody. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!